Hi friends, in this video I will show you where to connect flashlight, external flashlight on Canon R50 mirrorless camera. This is a Canon R50 mirrorless camera. On top here we have to connect the flashlight. We can remove this cap. Let me remove it. See, so we have to connect flashlight on this port. Let me zoom the port. See, this is a new port. This is a multi-function shoe. All new camera bodies are coming with this multi-function port. If you have a flashlight like this Godox TTL TT350C, we cannot connect this flashlight on this Canon R50 mirrorless camera because see, on bottom you can see this flashlight has 5 hot shoe pins, but on this R50 camera we cannot find any port where we can connect these 5 hot shoe pins. So that is the reason we cannot directly use this flashlight on this R50 camera, but there is a way. So we have to use an adapter. We have to use an adapter here. We have to connect one adapter on this multifunction port. Then on top of that adapter we can connect old accessories. See, this is a port which we need. Sorry, this is a adapter which we need. Multifunction shoe adapter ADE1. This adapter we need to connect on top of that multifunction port. Then on top of this adapter we can connect old accessories. See, here on top of this adapter we can see 5 hot shoe pins. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.